how to link Printify to Shopify. Before we begin, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify, check the pinned comment. Now you want to open up Shopify, use the search bar to search for Printify, which is going to take us to the Shopify App Store. Click on this and it's going to look a little something like this. We just want to click on install. Now once we click on install, this is going to load up the Shopify admin and we just want to confirm the installation. So click on install. All right, so once you have done this, you will see it from the apps. We're just going to accept the cookies and you want to log into your Printify account here. So I'm just going to continue with this account because it's the one that's linked to Shopify. And once you sign in, you just click on sign in here. It is going to automatically link it, connect it, and if you have any products set up, they will get integrated. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.